thing is gonna be so cool, guys. I just drove that stake into the ground with a 12-pound dumbbell. Now I'm gonna do the next one. All right, guys. This thing is fully assembled and up. There are some additional hooks I can use to put this in the ground, but I got these stakes pretty deep into the ground. And I could go deeper, but even with the wind that's going on, I think we're okay. This thing is so cool, guys. All right, guys, so I got a helicopter pad here. In addition to my new circular air gate, this thing is gonna be cool. We do have some wind up there, as you can see by the flag, so might be a little bit interesting. You can probably hear the wind too, but all right, we're gonna give this thing a go and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, here's where I landed that landing with the Babyhawk. Technically still on the helicopter pad. Alright, so I want to say that I really like this helicopter pad. This AirGate, I am going to have so much fun with it. Check the link in the description for this, as well as the helicopter pad. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. And GB Linden, out.